Welcome back. In today's quick update, I'm going to show you how to turn on new stories notifications on Telegram so you never miss updates from your contacts or favorite channels. Telegram has been rolling out improvements to its stories feature, and if you're not getting alerts when someone posts a new story, this setting is exactly what you need to check. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile picture. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where all your account and app preferences are located. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to alerts, including messages, calls, and Now Stories. Now look for the Stories option and tap on it. This will open the specific notification settings for Telegram stories. Here you'll see an option labeled Notify Me About. Under this section, simply toggle on New Stories. Once you enable this, Telegram will start sending you notifications whenever new stories are posted by your contacts or followed accounts, depending on your notification preferences. That's it. The process is quick, but it makes a big difference if you want to stay updated in real time. If you ever feel like you're getting too many notifications, you can always come back to this section and customize which stories trigger alerts. And that's how you turn on new stories notifications on Telegram using the latest updated settings.